Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open OneDrive in the web or the app and find the file or folder to share. Once located, pause and choose the permission model, view only, edit, or set an expiration date, because permissions control access and reduce risk. Make sure you know whether recipients need Microsoft accounts, since some links allow anyone with the link while others require sign-in. Now, right-click or tap the share icon to begin creating the shareable link and move to link options. Once you open share settings, choose link type, anyone with the link, people in your organization, or specific people, because this determines who can access the content. Next, configure advanced options, set an expiration date to limit access, add a password for extra security, and toggle allow editing off if you only want view access. Make sure to verify the selected folder versus file. Sharing a folder grants access to everything inside. After confirming options, generate the link and copy it to your clipboard. You now paste the copied link into email, chat, or a calendar invite and send it to recipients. Once done, test it in an incognito window or a secondary account to confirm behavior. If someone reports an access error, make sure you chose the correct link type and that specific people were added if required. Update permissions, or generate a new link if necessary. Finally, revoke or change access from the File's Manage Access panel when the sharing period ends to maintain control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.